And now, Storm Tracker 13, the area's most accurate forecast.
Well, lots of storms out there right now still to deal with, and more warnings coming up here even as we speak. I just saw one that got added in here just out of our viewing area over in Greenbrier County. Severe thunderstorm watch here for southern West Virginia until 10 o'clock. Warning still good for eastern Kentucky. Now, this is a second phase of storms, and we can see them plainly here. This is for Elliott and Floyd, Johnson, Magoffin, Martin, Morgan, and Rowan counties until 6:45 for this big cluster of thunderstorms right there with the potential of hail and heavy wind. We've already had round one, so this is round two. There's a break here in between, so obviously that could slide into the area south of Huntington. We'll zoom into a couple of these stops. Again, very strong storms now with very heavy wind and the potential for hail rolling their way on up towards Summersville right now. So Summersville, head on inside. Make sure everybody's indoors. I know it's already raining, but the very heavy portion of that storm is still on the way. Oak Hill, Beckley picking that up right now. Passing by Logan, so we're going to get a little bit of a break, but we've already had hail damage through here. And again, as we slide back to the south and to the west, we notice there's that new area of storms again just about to go into Moorhead, which is actually right up here on the interstate. So that's going to slide on up. It's coming through Morgan County right now up by Sandy Hook, and got to watch out here again through Salyersville and back again all the way down through Magoffin County into Floyd and Johnson, which have already been just raked earlier today with heavy wind. So got to watch out in these areas for the potential some more hail and heavy lightning. Okay, let's show you now some outages. These are power outages, and you can see thousands in Logan, Floyd, Pike, Boone, and Mingo, and several hundred in Jackson County, and that's just the tip of the iceberg, we think. Severe thunderstorm watch still good through 10 o'clock for a big chunk of southern West Virginia, and we watch the satellite and radar in motion, and you can see this all tied in together as one big storm system. Our cold front is actually out here, so it takes a long time for that to get going into our neighborhood. So we'll get this passing through here. This will last until after midnight. Damaging winds, heavy rain, hail. Those are the big issues still for the next few hours. Here's predictor. We have all that warm air coming up from the south. Here's your cold front. And that's been the big problem, clash of air masses. After midnight, we kind of see that all relax. There will be a bright spot tomorrow, but then the clouds should fill right back in. Afternoon, get a little cool here, cooler anyhow. And then on Sunday, it certainly will be cooler, a little damp and dreary and drippy on Sunday, and I believe a good portion of Monday will follow suit. Sunday will be the coolest day, and you know what? We can actually see a little frost early next week. 63 in Charleston, 66 in Huntington, but it did pop back up into the 70s briefly to the west, so there's just enough energy for more evening storms. 52 degrees, and again, partly sunny skies and about 60 tomorrow, and just a chance of an evening shower. 50 on Sunday, and we are calling for some light rain, cold in the 30s, maybe even a mountain snowflake early Monday morning. 48 degrees, a little drippy there, but then we start the warm up. Frost possible on Tuesday morning, 58 in the afternoon, back to the 70s Wednesday and Thursday. Hail again, guys, has been the big issue. We'll continue to track this for you. Warnings right now in southeast Kentucky until at least 6:45, and we'll continue to bring you the messages on the bottom of the screen as you see right here throughout the evening.
All righty.